All right, guys, so today is an ugly one, losing roughly $7,000 trading options today. Just not my day by any means. Got way too aggressive today inside of a trading range on the S&P 500 futures. S&P and NASDAQ have basically been sideways since the open today, and I just put on too much risk while that was occurring. A lot of the looks that I traded, I think are still great looks and probably do end up working out. But the matter of fact is that if you take it too early, and it's channeling and it's not clean and it's sideways on the overall market and you're not getting that continuation, you're going to have to take a loss, right? And so I didn't wait for that market to continue. I didn't wait for the market to find its direction before putting on these trades, which I believe are still good looks. So let's go ahead and break them down. It's an ugly day. A day sucks like this, right? But it's also important to realize that you have to find an exit. I could get back in, try again, continue to lose, and it could get really ugly. So I gave back majority of my profits for February today. Going to be up around $1,000, $1,500 for February after today's loss. So it hurts, but I got to just forget about it and move forward. So today, the first trade that I was looking at was Walmart over 129. And unfortunately, it looks like the 130 level was just really the rejection level that came in. So I'll show you guys exactly what I was looking for. So here on Walmart, we had a very nice move post earnings. Right here, we saw a nice downside move in the earnings, a very nice wick hold of that 122. And so I figured Walmart may have a little bit of outperformance after reclaiming some of these major spots. And so Walmart reclaimed PDL, held PDL, and I was looking for it to hold right above. I'll go ahead and show you the exact level I was looking at. I was looking for Walmart to hold right here above this low. Let me go ahead and put this on. Right here at this 128.16 area, I was looking for Walmart to reclaim these levels and push higher on a reclaim ripper above that Tuesday low. So if we go down into the 1 minute chart, right here, Walmart opens the day. You can see we have a previous day high right here. We have that 128.16 level. And so basically I was looking for Walmart to break, retest, and long off this level, which eventually just led to absolutely nothing and complete sideways action. So no wins there, 2 losses on Walmart to start the day. The next trade was SMH, which was just completely sideways. Looked for a long here on a PDL reclaim right here for a target of this high. Again, stopped out, completely sideways since. Next one was Palantir. Looked for Palantir to long off this PDL reclaim here. Got a nice push in my favor, eventually getting stopped out for basically break even. And then finally, MU. Looked for a long right here over these morning highs and this important 417 level right there. Got a push and eventually failed. And now it's just completely sideways. So overall, looking at this NASDAQ futures, you can see we've gone sideways the entire day. And I just need to do better in the future of not getting aggressive in that type of environment. That's pretty much at the end of the day what it is. It's nothing wrong with my system. It's nothing wrong with my strategy. It's just a little bit to do with discipline inside of a range. So here's an example of losing inside of a range. Enjoy the live trades. Not a day that I love to talk about and admit, but it's the truth. And the truth always is the right way forward, right? Accept it, learn from it, and move forward. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoy the live trades, and I will see you guys in the next one. Well, I'm interested possibly here on Walmart. Let's see if this gets bid off PDH here. Yeah, I'm in Walmart here. Stop loss under 129 and PDH. Trying that. I don't love that instant reaction there. Let's see if this 129 can hold for me. I don't like that. Okay. I might get taken out here instantly. Let's see if 129 holds. I like that quick reaction off 129. Okay, still holding. Don't love that reaction though. Okay, let's see if this can defend. XLP strong. XLP is strong here. Nah. All right, taking that off. I'm out of Walmart. Why haven't I gotten filled? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't like that. Okay, I got filled. All right, took my loss there to start. Don't love it. Still watching it. But I really didn't like that reaction right as I got in. So I'll take that loss to start. I wanted to see it right off that 129 and push. Let's keep watching. Take my loss to start there. Tesla, nice downside reaction off that 406.89. Let's see if we get this 60. Okay. Maybe more interested in this rejection on markets. Keep an eye on this Walmart, but right now I'm not in love. Wanted to see it go right off that 129 touch. Okay, hold on. We might get a little PDL break and retest under ES here. 68.63. You're still above previous day low on NASDAQ, though. Okay, a little careful here. A little bit careful here. Walmart's still interesting, but not if we reject 129. You are, okay, so here's a cautionary thing happening here. ES is below previous day low, NASDAQ is not. So careful there. That's a little bit sketchy. Still watching to see if Walmart can find itself again. Okay, look at that ES hold. Oof. Okay, so you're still getting very trappy down here. But hold on, let's see if it fails. You are above that QQQ low still. That's the problem here. That is the problem. Costco holding over 993. Carvana is starting to hold up. Yeah, okay. So here's your little ES hold, NASDAQ hold. Careful here. This is going to be key. Could be a little bit trappy here. Still interested to see if Walmart can find itself back above this PDH. QQQ still above PDL. So careful shorting into that. Okay, sort of a weak bounce on the ES there still. Walmart is finding itself again here, starting to get interested again. XLP is remaining very strong here. Costco's pushing as well. Okay, big market bounce there off 68.63. Wow. Okay, so what a trap below that level. That's nasty. Yeah, what a trap under that low. QQQ holding PDL very nicely. Watching to see if Walmart can hold 129 here. Yeah, Walmart's still interesting, but I need it to clean up a little bit here. I want to see something strong off 129. Oof, market's volatile here. Okay, dangerous ES this morning. XLP looking relatively strong still. Costco going towards 1,000 here. APP above 407. Interesting. Okay. Watching Walmart here off 129 again. Not quite getting it. Hey, you're really not getting that pot candle I want to see here off 129. Costco is strong, however. I'm going to be watching that over 1,000. XLP also means, okay, hold on. Carvana's holding 334. All right, I'm going to give this Walmart one more try. XLP is very strong. I'm going to try this one more time over this 129 spot. I'm not getting filled today. Interesting. I don't like that. Okay, I canceled that order. Yeah, I don't like how I didn't get filled there again. Something's weird. I'm getting a little bit weirded out about that not getting filled on market orders there. Weird. Okay, so you saw that. I didn't get filled. I canceled it. Interesting. I wonder why that's happening. ES holding this low again. Still watching Walmart. Costco over 1,000. Carvana's holding 334. Tesla's pushing again. Market's holding. Okay. I wonder if it has something to do with the... Yeah, the spreads are sort of wide on Walmart. That's possibly why. Costco's strong. I think it's trying to defend my spread. It's like I have a thing where it doesn't get filled if it's over a certain width, and that's possibly what it is. I have to check out the settings. But XLP very strong. Carvana starting to push as well. Market holding strong as well. I still like this Walmart trade. Just trying to find... Trying to get filled there again on Walmart. All right, I just got filled on Walmart. Looking for this to push off this 129 spot again. Let's see if we can get the push here. XLP very strong. What a trap at the lows on the ES today. Holy crap. All right, let's see if Walmart can play this time. Having a little bit of difficulty with fills there this morning. I like this look. XLP strong. Costco strong. Walmart holding PDH 129. I think this looks right. Carvana's ripping. Yeah, nice. Carvana very nice. Let's see if Walmart can make a move for us here. I'm sorry, Walmart. Did I say Carvana? Costco, very nice. XLP, very strong. XLP strong regardless of markets right now. Costco, really nice. Looking for Costco as well. I'm going to try to stay confident on Walmart as long as it's over that 129 spot. But yeah, a little bit of a trouble at this double top. Don't love that. Might just not be getting a move on this one today. Move might be sort of tired after that move up post earnings. Yeah, let's see if I get stopped again. Might have to give up on this idea. Unfortunately, yeah, it's just not great. Let's see if 129 maintains. PDH break and retest, not really giving me much juice here. 129 trying to hold again. Not in love with that same reaction. I probably should have waited for a cleaner break over 130 there instead of trading it off PDH. It looks like 130 is the level that has to break. I think I'm going to get stopped out, guys. Okay. Let's see. Looks like it's not going to play for me today off this 129. That 130 might be too heavy. Let's see if we can hold this. Costco pull back to 1,000. Trying to stay patient here. I might take this off momentarily if I don't see a hold here. XLP is still on a nice strong move over VWAP. Walmart might be overextended. Okay, still wicking here at PDH, still holding. XLP still looking relatively strong. Market staying strong as well. Carvana was sick, huh? Damn, that was the one. Walmart's just not the one today. All right, I'm out. Taking the loss. Yeah, just 2 losses on Walmart. Just can't get it to go anywhere off this 129. I'm going to give up on it. Unfortunate. It was a decent idea, I thought. It's not really there. Going to give up on it today. Yeah, I'm going to try Palantir long here. I like this reclaim. 134.32 stop loss. I like that pop off that 134.32. Let's see if Palantir can stay above that Tuesday high here. I like this. I'm going to try this. If I don't get this Palantir 134.32 reclaim, I might just go 0 for 3 today, call it a day. But I like the way you're reclaiming that 134.32. That's also pre-market highs. I think that's a pretty decent spot right there. Let's see if I can get a nice push. Let's see. It's a good break and retest of PDL, good reclaim. Not opposed. I wonder if the Iran news can also help Palantir a little bit that I'm seeing. So far, so good. I like the way it looks. Yeah. I would be targeting 136.77 here. Tesla over PDL. Yeah, and the SMH is over previous day low as well. That's something to watch. Yeah, it's a good Palantir reclaim. Right above that Tuesday, Monday high. How much can it go for us? We shall see. 6,900 is a concern of mine here on ES. Watch this SMH reclaim a PDL. Another thing I'd be watching. Sitting in this range. I don't really see anything immediate here. Walmart staying strong here. XLP has been relatively nice. Costco is back over 1,000. Palantir is still holding PDL, just ripped off of it. And the SMH is still playing those games. I mean, Palantir PDL hold is still a valid trade there. Yeah, gold is strong. MU 417.70 coming back into play. 130 Walmart coming back into play. Palantir is still valid. Look at SMH, man. What a joke. Yeah, it's one of those days. It's just too sideways. It's hard to manage. Hard to manage that. It's so hard to manage that. All right. Let's see if Palantir can stay strong over PDL for me. That's really the last thing I'm holding. Well, that is the last thing I'm holding. You could keep watching this PDL SMH to try something, but man, is it going to be possibly pretty sloppy there still. Overall, the lows are continuing to hold on the market. Even though we're not really going anywhere, lows are maintaining. That's a nice QQQ VWAP hold. Yeah, let's see if Palantir can do something special here. I will continue to maintain this over PDL. There goes your SMH rip. Yeah. Okay, SNDK maybe gained some interest because of this push. And MU could be another one that's interesting over this 417.70. We can see if that wants to clean up at all. Meta's pushing strong. Again, you would be entering a trade in the middle of this NASDAQ range though, but let's see. Yeah, WDC holding PDL as well. Not bad, sort of interesting. Yeah, Nvidia's been good today off that 186. That was a pretty good nail right there. Nvidia 186. That was a good nail. That was a good one. Palantir looks good. Looks like it might try for that target we had. MU might hold this 417.70 here. Let's see. See your WV's going? Yeah, NBIS, how's that been doing? Oh man, yeah, NBIS was good, huh? Right off 104.50. Wow. Huh. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, the SMH trade looks like it's gonna pay. That sucks. Right idea, wrong timing today, looks like. But timing is definitely difficult inside of a sideways range, so can't be too upset about it. Yeah, Walmart 130 is rejecting again. Same spot again, rejecting. Yeah, the SMH pullback is definitely an interesting one. MU not quite getting a hold there, but let's keep watching here. Palantir maintaining strong, willing to hold and maintain for now. Walmart rejecting again. Maybe we look to see if SMH pulls back and holds PDL this time around, more clean. Looks like it's going to here. Attempt to hold. QQQ 604 holds would be ideal for upside. Tough. Boring, tough. Makes you want to try to make your money back, but you know that the opportunity is just not there. One of those situations. Meta failed 645. MU's failing 417. ES is right back into that supply high. Let's see if the ES can hold the 100 SMA here. Could be something worth watching. Palantir looks like it's going to try to hold on this cloud here for a moment. Yeah. Okay, SMH pushing there. Tesla holding over PDO as well. Yeah, I see SNDK. I'm not in any kind of position to be putting on an SNDK trade right now. Just don't have the risk tolerance for it. Yeah, nice ES hold of that daily 100 there. SNDK, I'm sorry, SMH looks like it might go. Palantir looking good still. It's the only bright spot of the day for me, right here. Even though I think every single one of my trades would have ended up green today. Yeah. MU 417.70 here, something to watch. This is a good demand zone on MU. 414, 417. Excuse me. Yeah, I like that MU hold right there. Watch that 417 spot here. But SMH really not going anywhere. Market's not going anywhere. PDL pullback on SMH, worth a watch. NVIDIA sort of needed it off that 187.39 spot, I think. This is interesting right here. If MU can maintain this spot. Let me give that a try on MU. See if we can hold this 417.70 spot right here. With this SMH holding PDL, I'm going to give that an attempt, try to target this high right here on MU and possible continuation. Okay, that was a pretty good entry point. I like that. Now let's see if it can continue. That's been the hard part today. I like the entry point though. Instant profit. Can it maintain? Can it maintain? Took the MU 420s. Can it maintain? SMH was a nice look. I still really like the idea of it holding that previous day low. Just didn't trade it right today. AMD, new high a day. right. Looks like not much continuation off this 417.70. Can we hold here? If not, I will exit. Palantir still holding. Okay, Palantir still strong. MU holding that level. AMD is still going straight up. Can we get MU to hold here? 417.70. Eesh. Wild candles here, but another strong level. Another strong hold at that 417.70. Guys, please stop drawing on the screen. Nice, Truman. It's cool, man. Okay, let's see if I got to sell MU here. Palantir, great though. Shit. Anything on MU here? Let me see. Does it reject 417.70? Does it hold? Market's still holding here at 604 as well. Palantir continuing higher. Walmart pushing again. NASDAQ maintaining. 100 SMA holding on ES. Palantir new high a day. Coming in here, very nice. Okay, MU maintaining this 417 spot for the moment. I'll give it this candle low at 417. I like that hold. I mean, it's holding right above these previous highs. Can it turn this into support? Palantir up nicely, up 17%. I like that. About to hit. Let's see if we can get our squeeze to our target here. Probably look to take some profits here on Palantir soon. Yeah, we're just not going anywhere. Okay. Market just sitting here now. Okay. All right. I'm going to sell MU. I'm going to sell, probably going to sell Palantir for profit here. And I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. Having some problems getting filled today on Lightspeed, as you can see. I really don't like that. All right, guys, that's going to be it. Pretty ugly red day for me. Lost $7,000 today. Basically gave back everything. All right. Sucks. Gave back pretty much my entire profit of the month. Up 8,600 this month. Just gave back almost all of it. Tough day. Should have been more discipline inside this range. Much more discipline inside this range. Yeah, those no fills definitely didn't help. I'm interested to ask what that's all about. I'm going to figure that out. But yeah, I mean, an unnecessary losing day, I guess, if you look at it. NTZ zone. Walmart. Tried the 129 hold here. PDH failed. Tried it again, failed. So 2 failures there. Palantir. Nice look. Was up 20%. Nice entry point. You know, maybe could have taken some profits up here. Ends up being a nothing trade. And MU looking for the hold above this area. Looked great. Failed. So pretty much everything just, I think I had good reasons for a lot of it, but with the market not going anywhere, you're just not going to get continuation. And I should have done better at identifying that sooner. All right. And here we go, straight back up on MU. All right, guys. That's going to be it for me today. Red day. Just going to forget about it. I don't think I did anything that I, besides the trading inside of this range, which is what I did wrong. I think the looks that I had were like reasonably interesting spots. But what I failed to do was say, hey, I like MU, but hold on, I don't like this NASDAQ, right? Hey, I like this, but I don't like this. So I sort of ignored the channel on the market, which is, that'll do it. That will do it. That will do it. Yeah, Walmart's holding again. It's a good hold spot, but there's no more risk for me today. There's no more risk for me today. Gotta call it. Back to up $1,000 on the month. Green is good. So I gotta protect that. All right, guys.